Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to reset or change your login password on Payoneer account. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your Payoneer account. Next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on your profile avatar right here, or you click on your profile name right here, then click on settings, then go to security settings. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here, change password. Click on that, then take you right here. What you need to do right here is to enter current password, then enter your new password, and then come down below right here. Make sure you click on change. It's as simple as that, and your password will be changed successfully. So basically, this is how to change or update your login password on your Payoneer account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topics like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.